It's 5/24, January 23rd, 2016. Snowpocalypse. Currently, I'm sitting in my living room, having a fire, eating what I'm gonna have for dinner. I think I'm gonna have some breakfast for dinner, because it doesn't seem like we're gonna be able to make it down to originals. Becky, what are you making for dinner? Okay then. Turns out we're not having anything for dinner. I guess I better start walking. Snow's really deep outside. It's probably the most snow I can remember. Yeah, pretty deep.
Yeah, pretty deep.
Blaze, you're outside.
Yeah, I think they covered
Last snow. Got ourselves a cozy fire though, so we'll stay in here and continue to be bored and make videos and Facebook statuses and lightsaber fights. What about you? You're still in your pajamas. It's like 5:30.
Yeah.
So for now, I bid you adieu. Until the next adventure.